Welcome back to another video. I'm your trader Sam, and today I want to discuss with you the potential further downside that we can see for Bitcoin, given that the ES here is in a corrective move and is likely to go down to further prices, testing 4,300 and possibly much lower. But before we jump into this, guys, please remember I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes, and you know what to do. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. It's really going to help this channel grow. Let's get straight into it. So the ES looks to be in this corrective move, and there is a high probability that the price will come down and test this 4,327 zone, potentially coming down further. And we are creating this harmonic pattern as well, where there is a bit of confluence here with the point of control matching up with the end of leg D at about $4,150. So we will be monitoring this, because if we were to get a drop down further here, it's definitely going to bring the rest of the crypto market with it. And from current prices, it is still 5% away. So this could play out over, the coming days, weeks. It doesn't have to be a quick move down, but it's just something that we do want to monitor for Bitcoin, because it could take us to lower prices. So switching over to Bitcoin here, we can see that we lost the value area high, which was crucial. We really needed to hold that value area high on the back test to push on to higher prices. Given that we are back within this value area zone now, and that this move looks to be corrective, we could be putting in a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here, where you have the shoulder here, the head, and we could be potentially forming another shoulder to get that further continuation down. What I'm currently looking for is a potential retest of this value area high before getting rejected to go down further. We can see that the 382 Fibonacci level is close by at the value area high, so that does give us a little bit of confluence. So if price were to come up here and fail to gain acceptance above the value area high, that will show us that there is a sign of weakness, and we can look for potential short positions. You can see right over here that these kind of wicks, that's what you'll be looking for that sign of weakness, failing to gain acceptance above that value area high. We do also have some confluence here up at 27,100 with the daily level and the 618 region. So that is something to look out for as well. For long positions, we do have 26,360 where we have this pivot low put in over here. There is definitely a bunch of liquidity sat beneath this zone, where we do have this low over here as well. So these two lows here. A bit further down, we have the 0.5 Fibonacci level with this pivot low as well. Also, we have the point of control where there is a bit of liquidity sat around there as well. But the biggest level of interest for me is going to be this zone right over here. The golden pocket, where we have multiple levels. The value area low as well, we definitely could come down to test that zone. You can see over here where we have a lot of these wicks coming into the value area low and then gaining acceptance back within the zone. So coming down and hitting this value area low, but then gaining acceptance back above this weekly level here at 25,820. That will definitely be a sign of strength. We do have other levels of interest, obviously further down, this daily and MPOC level where there is confluence down here. However, this is very much a level to level environment, given that we are still within this range that we have been inside for weeks now. So we want to be taking profits very early, because we can see that if you're not quick to take profits here, price does reverse and you are stopped out. So before you get into the trade, you want to have everything played out. You want to know where your stop loss and invalidation zones are, where your take profit zones are, and you definitely want to be taking profits at every possibility. So that brings us to the end of this quick Bitcoin update, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for a really good exchange to use, I recommend Bybit. I use it myself. You can get up to $30,000 worth in bonuses by using the link in the description. And if you enjoy these technical updates and you want to see a lot more, then check out our Legends Discord community. The link for that is also in the description. So trade well, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.